Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the frequency counter and how you set it up and how it works. So to set it up, go to your settings, click on the store locator, and hit either the add new button or the edit button. When you hit add new, this screen pops up. Populate the address and all that kind of stuff. You'll see this field here. It's range. It's done in meters, so you can enter an amount for the meters here, and I will expand this so you can see. This can go down as big or as small or as big as you need it. And when you change the circle here, it changes the range automatically. So this basically tells the system that anyone who's got the app and has their location services turned on, when they enter this area, that's when the clock starts ticking. Okay, so this is a location. We've got an area set up here. In order to see how it looks from the customer view, click on your customers, manage customers. Let's find me, and click on the customer's name, and you can scroll down and you can see it gives you the date, the location, the time entered, the time left, and the amount of time that they've been in that location. So basically, every day that they come in and out of your business area, it will chronicle all of that stuff for you, time in, time out, and how long they've stayed, right in the customer profile. Thanks for watching.